By now, we've all become incredibly aware of Print Nightmare and the total danger that it poses for you personally, for your organization, for your business, for your network, for your clients. And if you're not, then don't worry. We're going to talk about what it does and all that info in this video. And we're also going to talk about some very important news that just, and I mean literally just, got published. Hey everybody, welcome to StudioSec. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if it's helpful. Comment down below with what you've learned about Print Nightmare and if you've noticed anything that has helped. And subscribe for more content I'm posting every week. If you want to jump into the 500 subscriber challenge, check out this video right here, and that will give you just an idea on how you can join. On July 1st, Print Nightmare entered our collective subconscious. It's about as bad as you would think. It affects all versions of Windows, all, even the current version that you have installed if you have the most recent installed version probably right now. Not all versions, but we'll talk about that here in a sec. Microsoft has been aware of this vulnerability and it created a patch for this all the way back in June. However, that failed to remediate the problem. And so really to this day, Print Nightmare remains a nightmare. And this specific vulnerability haunts the nightmares of business-minded cybersecurity professionals. Why is that? Because you need your printer. And right now, the only way to stop it is to shut your printer off, to turn the driver to use your printer off and make it completely unusable. And that totally is not business acceptable. And so obviously something needs to give. We need to have a patch. We need to have some way to fix it, but we'll get to that here in a second. So what does Print Nightmare do? Basically, Print Nightmare, also known as CVE-2021-34527, in case you want to Google that and goof with it in your home lab, it allows a user of any permission level to install their own drivers, which basically means that an attacker from any user level can escalate their privileges to a domain admin. It allows for some pretty heavy privilege escalation. Let me say that again. An attacker can use this vulnerability, which works on all versions of Windows. They can install their own drivers, and they can escalate the privileges all the way up to domain admin. That's pretty bad. This is obviously a pretty big deal. So obviously you're probably thinking, well, why hasn't Microsoft fixed this already? Well, they've tried. They tried back in June and that didn't work. So clearly this has a bit of a technical challenge to it, and that's an issue. Now, one of the things that has made this a real challenge is there was a proof of concept that was posted on GitHub for this exploit, and that ended up getting taken down. However, it was forked and distributed before it was taken down. So it's already out in the wild now. People have it. It exists. So the clock's ticking. So what now? Don't worry. There's good news. And that is that Microsoft just announced this afternoon, July 6th, that they've posted a patch for this issue. So go ahead, download the patch, try to see if it works. Let me know down in the comments if it does work. And if it doesn't, then we're moving on to attempt number 3 probably down the road. So with all that, I'm gonna let you go and get patching. We all got work to do. So I know I'm working on it right now. So have a good one, everybody. Like, share, subscribe. Check out the 500 subscriber challenge, and peace.